Well, it's been the talk of the town, setting social media ablaze. The versus clash between dancehall legends Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. One of the highlights was a brief interruption by police, who apparently had showed up over concerns about the breaching the island-wide curfew orders.
Now, our bite of the week is the Prime Minister's response to some of the concerns expressed in social media.
People, the police are here. And they're saying good evening. Good evening, officer. How are you, sir? You all right? You good? Can we not do this right now? We got 500,000 people watching us right now all over the world. Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be this guy? You want to be that guy?
The clash was done in good spirit. And all Jamaicans, including the JCF, played their part in pulling off one of the most successful virtual dancehall ever. I think the bigger issue is how do we treat with the entertainment industry, because they have been badly hit in all of this, and we have to kind of bend our minds to see how we can develop and support that industry.